Actually, afternoon's evening झालंय, so I'll have to change my script a little bit. So good evening everyone present over here on the dais and off the dais. Lecture हजारो 100 कमीत कमी 100-200 तरी लेक्चर्स डिलिव्हर केले, पण इथे कसं बोलावं? I'm out of that right now, and I was knowing this since morning that I'm going to speak here, but what should I speak? I don't know that. But still I'll try to keep it short and I'll not stretch it more because already the program has been extended a lot. So I'll try to keep it short. First I'll introduce myself. I am Mrs. Nutan Abhijit More. I have completed my B.Pharm, M.Pharm and now I'm pursuing my PhD from Savitribai Phule Pune University in Pharmaceutical Sciences. And I have been working as an assistant professor since last 7 years. Means I'm having total 7 years of experience, which includes 1 year of experience in IT as well, in pharmacovigilance, in pharmacy only. So initially I have started my career as an assistant professor in Sivagat College of Pharmacy, Badgaon. And now I am continuing that academician profession in Trinity College of Pharmacy, Pune itself. Okay, so he is my professional orak. Ata, what I am to this family? I have been added to More family since last 6 years. So I am daughter-in-law to More family. Okay, and obviously this huge personality sitting on the dais, obviously Dr. More sir and Dr. More ma'am, they are nothing but my sasu and sasre. Okay, so that is what my unofficial orak apan manu shakto jara. So now as I am a pharmacist and this is a huge platform I am getting on this auspicious occasion. Obviously in the morning we had a great puja and I'll congratulate all the volunteers, all the students who have been taken and tremendous efforts and amazing efforts to make that puja and all the decorations very amazing. So I congratulate all of the volunteers and the students of this college. Okay, now talking about the pharmacist. First of all, I am proud to be a pharmacist. आता फार्मसी म्हटलं, मे बी पेरेंट्स असतील इथे माझ्यासमोर आता काही. फार्मसिस्ट म्हटलं तर काय येतं? जेव्हा आपण फार्मसीला ॲडमिशन घेतो तेव्हा आपल्याला फार्मसीचा पीही माहीत नाही आहे. फार्मसी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टी, एव्हरीवन नोज दॅट. Okay, so we don't know anything about pharmacy. So what we think at that time, a person standing in the counter or standing in a medical store, that is what our perception about pharmacy till we enter to this profession. So now it's time to change that perception, we can say. Okay, means we are not the person who is just standing in that medical store. We are the one who is giving life to that medicine, who are preparing those medicines. We are those. And we are having a lot of opportunities, you can say. Career opportunities, there are huge. A sky is a limit for a pharmacist. You can have a good job in manufacturing. You can have a very good job in IT as well. Now, our mindset is that only an engineer can go into IT profession. It's not like that. We as a pharmacist can also go in IT. We can also have a government. We can also go into that as a drug inspector. So there are tremendous opportunities for us as being a pharmacist. Now one thing I like a lot of all the students here, the confidence level, and I want everyone to be clapping for them. Please, confidence in the students of this college is hats off to them. Means माझं maybe ज्यांना इथे येऊन बोलण्याची संधी नाही मिळाली, इथे येणं आणि इथे उभं राहून बोलणं is a really very difficult thing. And still, means आम्हाला तर सवय, because we are in that profession, we are lecturers, we are professors, so we are used to that. But students are not used to that thing. To come here, to share our thought without fumbling and in our own way, it's a really very good thing. And I have to wish you a very good, I have to wish that you guys are doing very well in that. And obviously this won't be possible. This is possible only because of the support of obviously Dr. More sir and Dr. More ma'am. Because there is a huge backbone, you can say, a motivating backbone you have got here. And the ambience, the infrastructure here you have got, I must say you are blessed with the best. So you have to take this as an opportunity and a sky will be limit for you. Your future is going to be very brilliant. Okay, so I'll keep my words short and I'll wind up here. Obviously, I will seek, Kaku, I'll seek opportunity. I'll have doing here with students. Okay, that is what I wish. If you guys are interested, obviously I'll be there